A delayed reply from Swagbucks support does not always mean your ticket was ignored. Multiple tickets about the same issue can actually slow the process because they create duplicate requests that have to be reviewed. By the end of this video, you'll know how to improve your chances of getting a response and what to do while you're waiting. First, confirm that your support request was submitted successfully. Check your email for a confirmation message or ticket number. If you never received one, also check your spam, junk, and promotions folders before assuming the request failed. Next, avoid submitting the same ticket over and over. Every duplicate request creates another case for the support team to sort through. If you already have an open ticket, reply to that conversation instead of opening a new one. Make sure your original message contains everything support needs. Include your account email address, the date the issue started, the offer or activity involved if applicable, screenshots of the problem, and a clear explanation of what you've already tried. A complete ticket is much easier to investigate than one that requires multiple follow-up questions. If your issue involves missing SB, a failed redemption, or an offer that didn't track, attach any confirmation emails, receipts, or completion screenshots. Evidence helps support verify what happened without asking you for additional information later. While waiting for a response, avoid changing important account details such as your email address or creating another Swagbucks account. Those changes can make it harder for support to verify your account and review your original request. If you're contacting support about a login problem, continue using the same account and avoid repeated sign-in attempts with different credentials. Consistent account activity reduces confusion during the review process. It's also worth checking whether Swagbucks is experiencing a temporary service issue. If many users are reporting the same problem, support response times may be longer than usual, because they're handling a larger number of requests. If you've waited a reasonable amount of time, and still haven't received any response, reply to your existing ticket with any new information, instead of creating another one. Keeping all updates in a single conversation makes it easier for the support team to follow your case from start to finish. The goal is to make your request as complete and organized as possible, so support can resolve it without asking for missing details. To recap, confirm your ticket was submitted. Avoid duplicate requests, include screenshots and account information. Keep replying to the same support thread, and be patient if there's a platform-wide issue. Those steps give you the best chance of getting a faster resolution. If this video helped, like it, subscribe, and check out our other Swagbucks troubleshooting guides.